Okay, today we're going to show you how to fix your Nintendo Switch if it won't turn on. We're going to show you several methods for fixing this problem. If you stay with us all the way to the end of the video and try each of these methods, there is a very high probability that this problem will be solved for you. Okay, the first thing to try here is really the simplest, and in most cases this one will actually work, so you might not even need to go on. Simply unplug your Nintendo Switch from the wall, and also unplug the other end of the cable from the actual console. Wait about 60 seconds. Now don't be impatient here, wait the 60 seconds, and then plug it back in. Plug the other end of the cable back into the Nintendo Switch, and most likely your Nintendo Switch will now turn on. If your Nintendo is working again, great. If not, try the following. Hold down the power button for about 12 seconds. Release the power button, and then press the power button once, and the console should turn on. That's our video for today. As always, thank you very much for watching, and please remember to subscribe.